Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maridalia from the future. So the video that you're about to see is a little all over the place. I wanted to pop in here. So basically this is me coming home from work on a weekday, and I had to shoot content for the week, so I shot in bulks. So this is me getting ready and taking photos and multiple outfits with my tripod around the block. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if there's any more videos like you want to see like this and so forth, and thank you for watching. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maridalia. I haven't really uploaded a video in a long time. This is very prompt and sudden, but I'm gonna do like a mini vlog if it comes out good. So I just got home from work. It is about 5 p.m. It is nice and beautiful outside, and I have to make my content for Instagram for the week because it was raining all weekend, so I'm gonna shoot it now. So I'm gonna put in some quick makeup, fix up my hair, and get into my outfits. I'm gonna brush my teeth first because I don't like to put makeup on after a full day. It feels gross. So let me show you the clothes. So these are the garments. So this is gonna be one outfit. I'm gonna wear this with a red trench and these sunnies that I just got for my birthday. And I'm thinking I'm gonna wear pink shoes or maybe these boots. I'm undecided on that. And then this I'm gonna wear with a yellow back puffer along with this bag. And I have this really pretty, these are all rentals, these 4 garments, by the way, these 3 garments and this accessory rented from Rent the Runway. So I have a little black, white and yellow sunflower bucket hat that I'm gonna wear with this and the yellow puffer. And then this dress that gives me Jackie O vibes, I'm gonna wear this with some sneakers, so stay tuned. Okay, so now that I finished putting together the outfits, how I'm gonna wear them, those 3 outfits, and putting on the shoes. I'm gonna do these with the blue dress because I think it's interesting for a blazer dress like that to be paired with shoes like that, and the white ones I am going to do with this one, and I decided to go with my boots for that one. So I'm gonna do these boots, and now I'm gonna get to do a quick little makeup routine. And I got my gloves on. I like to do my makeup with gloves so my nails, my acrylics don't get stained, which actually these are my natural nails with a coat of acrylic, but you know, so the nails don't get stained. And then I got my tripod ready to go, and when I'm ready, we're gonna go around the block and take these photos one outfit at a time and shoot some reels because I like to batch and shoot in loads. So I like to shoot my content in advance, so we're ready to go after I do my makeup. So I'll touch base with you guys in a few. Okay, so I threw on a little something because I've been breaking out, so I threw on a little something, and now that I feel ready, photogenic, ready, I'm gonna throw on the first outfit and grab my iPod, and we're gonna go and take these photos. Stay tuned because at the end I'm gonna show all the content after I've already posted it on Instagram. So by the time you're seeing this video, this is all up on my Instagram, which is also linked down below. Make sure you follow me. It's the Styled Married Her. So I'm pulling up to my first location. This vintage XOXO bag, this Mishka dress, and my high tops, and these shades. And I didn't button up the dress all the way up to go for a more spring fun vibe. So I was in a rush to finish taking my photos and reels. Now I have to head to the pharmacy before they close to ship back my package, so I'm gonna put all my garments in there. I'm comfy now, on the run. But stay tuned with my Instagram. I'm always posting reels and outfit of the day posts. I'm gonna try to post more often. This video is not gonna be the best quality or the most perfect because I feel like I stopped myself from posting because I'm very tedious about the content. So let's see how this goes. So thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye.